Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Keandre. I'm back again. So I'll be singing. What am I gonna sing? "Just Like Me" by Jamie Foxx. So it's acapella. Here we go. You've been seeing him, and I know. But I was with her and you know about it. But I was too blind to see it, babe. That she was out there doing the same thing as me. I wanna know, has he been by the crib and he's been in our car? Or have you let him drive? Well, she's been by the house, she's been in a car. I even let her push the Porsche around a couple times. Oh, we were so the same. I don't know how I could risk it, babe. And there is no point in feeling blue. It's just like me and I'm just like you. Just like me, shorty all up in the club, popping bottles of the pub, giving all them dudes love. She's just like me, shorty don't know how to act. In a club, back in the pack, and I can't be mad. She's just like me. Oh, just like me. Oh, she's just like me. Oh, just like me. Oh. Yeah, I'm just doing the first verse. I guess, like I said before, I love requests, responses, feedback, all that good stuff. Um, Feel free to comment. And yes, please send me some requests. Other than that, I'm out.